Hello student, we discuss here physical chemistry, atomic weight formula. Atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight multiplied by valency. Okay, and how do we determine equivalent weight in terms of oxygen? So in terms of oxygen, when we will discuss, so mass of metal which combined with 8 gram of oxygen, that mass is called equivalent mass of or equivalent weight of that metal. Mass of metal which combined with 8 gram of oxygen, that mass is called equivalent weight of metal. Now we will go for this exercise. The element X is trivalent. Trivalence means valency is 3. 9 gram of the element combined with 8 gram of oxygen. The atomic weight of X will be, options are given. As I told you earlier, that 8 gram of oxygen combined with 9 gram of X means X, this 9 gram is the equivalent weight of the metal X. Okay, so equivalent weight of metal X is equal to 9. Now X is already they have said that it is trivalent. So X is trivalent means valency is 3, right? 3 valency. So atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight multiplied by valency, that is here 3. So 9 into 3 is equal to 27, because equivalent weight is 9 and valency is 3. So multiply 9 multiplied by 3 is equal to 27, and this is the atomic weight of the metal X. Now what is the tip of the day? Equivalent weight is equal to atomic mass by valency. We discussed this. So atomic mass, if we have to calculate, so at that time atomic mass will be equal to valency multiplied by equivalent weight, and we'll calculate every question. Right? Now we will discuss here. A bivalent metal M has the equivalent weight 12. So they have given equivalent weight as well as they have given says that valency is 2. The molecular weight of its oxide they are asking. Tricky question. 24, 36, 32, 40 you have to see. So atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight multiplied by valency, right? So put the value 12 equivalent weight and 2 is valency. Atomic weight is 24, and since the metal is divalent at that moment, and oxygen is also divalent, so M2 positive, O2 negative. So we will, how we do find the molecular mass? Sum of the atomic mass of these two. So atomic mass of M we have calculated, it is 24 gram, and the atomic mass of oxygen we know that it is 16. So 16 plus 24, that is equal to 40 gram per mole. When we will say, then we will call it molar mass. So 40 gram is the correct answer. So answer D is correct. Clear to you? Very easy question, very tricky, simple. All the best. God bless you. Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you for watching.